Okay, let's continue on with our making a meal. This is actually part two, and this is our first side dish, which are going to be the garlic mashed potatoes. And the ingredients that we're going to need for this is, of course, potatoes, as well as garlic. We're going to also use some sour cream, a little bit of milk, some butter, some sea salt, and black pepper as our seasonings. We're going to peel the potatoes, then we're going to boil them and get them soft. We're going to mash those with our garlic, add a little sour cream and milk and butter to get a smooth blend, and season it with some salt and pepper. Then we're going to take that, put it in a baking dish, and we're going to stick that in the oven for a little bit to let it all come together. So this is the ingredients that we need for our garlic mashed potatoes. Let's get started.